Hi there, so if you're watching this video, I'm going to show you exactly step by step how I have made $2,352 in one day with one affiliate offer without using website, without having any website and without running any ads. No Google ads and no Facebook ads whatsoever. So how I did it, you see over here, if I go in my ClickBank marketplace, there are many different offers. So on the left side, and pay close attention please, you see you have categories. So I chose e-business and e-marketing, so basically online affiliate marketing offers on ClickBank. So the offer here that I would suggest you to promote is super affiliate system. Now why? Because average conversion, as you can see over here, is $774 per sale. So if you have one sale, you're already making $770, and if you have two sales, you're already making $1,500 in 1 month. So only if you have two sales in a month, you're already making over $1,500. Now this can be also in a week or a day. So it really depends on what traffic source you're using. So the traffic source that I would suggest you use is the buyer's clicks. So basically email marketing or basically solo ads. So not all solo ads equals the same, right? Not all of them are the same, because it depends on the awareness of the market, of the list, right? So what I did is basically, let me show you over here. I will go to the Microsoft, okay? So you can see what I did is I make my checkpoints. So the first of all, niche must have a pain point, right? Why? Because if you are in the niche, there is no pain point, that people are not looking for the solutions or having problems like make money online niche, then you won't be making any huge amount of money or sales. Also, niche must have active people looking for a solution, like I mentioned, and your offer is positioned as a solution to the pain point, right? It's really, really important. So how I did it? I did it with the buyer's clicks, basically sending traffic to my affiliate link, and you can do totally the same. Basically, you can copy and paste this method with my personal support. So you see over here you have buyer's clicks. So we have traffic agency where you can get basically traffic sent to your affiliate link. Now 300 clicks over here, those are visitors from countries like US, Canada, New Zealand, UK, Ireland and Australia. So basically 6 places, and they are 35 and above years old. Now you see you have 300 clicks over here, and for 600 clicks the price is $1,997, and for 300 clicks the price is $497. So you can see over here on ClickBank, if you have only one sale, you're already making over $774. So you have invested $497 for 300 clicks, and with one sale only, minimum, let's take a minimum, you're already making $774. So it's already over $200 in profit. Now if you make 3 sales on average, it's more than $1,500 in profit. Now what you can do right now while you're watching this video is, below this video are links to my email and social media accounts. You can send me the message, and what you can do is click on this promote button over here, and over here you can put in your account nickname. So you can put any account nickname you have, and then just click on generate hop links over here, and for example all the links are going to be generated below here. So you copy this and you send me an email, and what we can do then is send you traffic to your affiliate link. So basically just generate hop links, you copy them, and then below this video is my email address and my social media links where we can connect. You can send me this link and we can set up the traffic source for you. So basically we are going to send the buyer's clicks to your affiliate link, and from there you can start generating sales. Also, if you want done for you campaigns on Google ads or Facebook ads, you can as well reach out to me, and below this video are all the links. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.